The gray car was chased by the police car. There was after a robbery bank, and the blue car hit the police car and the gray car, and they stopped to the wood, but they broken. But the police car is rolling on the road. The gray car was broke inside of the car.